Apila ng ilang telco group, huwag munang isabatas ang konektadong Pinoy Bill dahil may mga kulang pa. Narito ang report.
Dapat daw ayusin muna ang mga issue ng ilang grupo ng cable TV telecommunication companies sa konektadong Pinoy Bill o Senate Bill 2699 bago ito tuluyang isabatas. Yan ang panawagan ng Federation of the International Cable TV and Telecommunications Association of the Philippines o FICTAP.
I am appealing to our Congress and Senate and to the Office of the President kung pwede ibito itong konektadong Pinoy hanggat hindi natin ma-address fully well lahat ng problema na hindi nila naipasok.
Ang Konektadong Pinoy o Open Access in Data Transmission Act ay naglalayong magkaroon ng mas maganda, mas mura, mas malawak na access ang mga Pilipino sa internet connection sa pamamagitan ng pagpapadali para sa mga kumpanya na sumali sa telecommunications sector. Certified as urgent ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang Konektadong Pinoy Bill na pumasa na sa third and final reading sa Kongreso. Sabi ng FICTAP, sinusuportahan nila ang pagpapaganda ng access ng mga Pilipino sa internet connection. Pero dapat daw ay siguruhin pa ring may pananagutan sa gobyerno ang telecommunications companies.
They allow cable TV operators unregulated like that we are having now. Maski sino pwede nang mag-operate ng bus ng internet. In one district area, there are about 25 to 27 cable operators. And you know what's happening? They are killing each other. They are destroying their infrastructure.
Sabi ng Protekta Pilipinas, dapat siguruhin ng batas na handa sa cybersecurity ang sinumang kumpanyang papasok sa telecom sector.
The concern of many of the industry stakeholders is that the data transmission industry was widely opened such that there are certain segments of the industry that are sensitive in terms of national security.
Sang-ayon naman ng NTC o National Telecommunications Commission sa ilang suhestyon ng mga kinatawan ng telecommunications companies.
We support the open access bill, but it's just that there are we have to put measures so that it would be difficult if we open the floodgates and then unscrupulous players would go in. I mean, you know, NTC can only do so much, the government can only do so much. It's better if we do it before they enter the market.
Nangako ang Department of Information and Communications Technology na kapag naisabatas na ang Konektadong Pinoy Bill ay isa sa alang-alang nila ang nabanggit na issue sa paggawa ng implementing rules and regulation.
Itong mga concerns na rin ito ay napag-usapan na before bago maging maisabatas, not really magka-draft ng law. So itong mga issues na to is not new actually. Napag-usapan na nga before at it's really up to Congress para i-weigh in, and even if ma-weigh in naman ng Congress, I'm sure that pagbuo ng implementing rules and regulation para dito sa batas na ito sasang-ala-alang yung mga ganitong concerns.
Glam Calicdan, Dizon, One North Central Luzon.